Medaro intersects 1.49% lithium oxide over 1.33 meters at the Lac La Motte Lithium property in Quebec, Canada. On February 15, 2022 from Vancouver, BC, Medaro Mining Corp, trading on the CSE under the symbol MEDAE and on the OTC exchange under the symbol MEDAF, is pleased to announce the results of its 2022 diamond drilling program on its Lac La Motte Lithium property located in Quebec, Canada. The drilling was contracted to Forageaber Inc. of Amos, Quebec, who completed 19 NQ-size core drill holes for cumulative drilling of 2,513 meters. The results of the drill holes show pegmatites of various widths and lithium grades, which are summarized in this company news release. See tables 1 and 2 from this company news release for details. Significant intercepts. Drill hole MD22-2 intersected a 0.7 meters wide pegmatite with 0.89% lithium oxide at 72.7 meters drilled depth. Drill hole MD22-5 intersected 3 pegmatites, top 0.79 meters wide with 1.34% lithium oxide at 13.18 meters depth, middle 0.7 meters wide with 0.5% lithium oxide at 20 meters depth, lower 0.81 meters wide at 0.78% lithium oxide at 22.92 meters depth. Drill hole MD22-6 intersected 3 pegmatites, top 0.11 meters wide with 1.10% lithium oxide at 31.95 meters depth, middle 0.87 meters wide with 1.01% lithium oxide at 34.53 meters depth, lower 0.80 meters wide at 0.55% lithium oxide at 37.58 meters depth. Drill hole MD22-7 intersected 1.76 meters wide pegmatite with average 4,375 parts per million lithium, 0.94% lithium oxide. Drill hole MD22-8 intersected 2 pegmatites, upper 1.33 meters wide with 1.49% lithium oxide at 36 meters depth, and lower 0.93 meters wide at 0.88% lithium oxide at 41.2 meters depth. Drill hole MD22-17 intersected 3 meters wide pegmatite with 1,080 parts per million lithium at 46.9 meters depth. All intersections reported are based on drilled widths and have not been converted to the true width. The drill core from this program was logged and sampled at the core shack located about 50 kilometers from the property in the village of Saint-Dominique-du-Rosaire. The samples were bagged and tagged using best practices and were delivered to Activation Laboratories, Ancaster, Ontario for sample preparation and analysis using laboratories code Ultratrace 7 and sodium peroxide fusion. ACT Labs is an independent commercial, accredited ISO-certified laboratory. The pegmatites encountered within the significant drill intercepts correlate strongly with the historical diamond drilling completed on the property in the 1950s. The company commenced a ground prospecting and sampling program immediately upon acquiring the Lac La Motte property in May 2022. The field prospecting program identified and confirmed various lithium pegmatite outcrops on the property. The field prospecting was the basis for deciding on the targets for the 2022 drill program. The company will use the information acquired from the 2022 drill program to plan a follow-up drill program at the property in 2023. Mr. Michael Mulberry, CEO of Medaro, stated it is exciting to see positive results from yet another of our Quebec-based lithium projects. We are encouraged by these results and look forward to further exploration of Medaro's Lac La Motte project in 2023 with satellite imaging and an expanded diamond drill program. Afzal Perzada, professional geoscientist, VP Exploration of the company and a qualified person for the purposes of National Instrument 43101, Standards of Disclosure for Mineral Projects, has reviewed and approved the scientific and technical information contained in this news release. About Lac La Motte Lithium property. The Lac La Motte property is located in the prolific mining area of Abitibi, Quebec, 40 kilometers northwest of the city of Val-d'Or. There are several active lithium prospects, mines at various stages of exploration and development located approximately 5 kilometers to 20 kilometers from the property. On behalf of the Board of Directors, Michael Mulberry, CEO, about the company, Medaro Mining Corp, is a lithium exploration company based in Vancouver, BC and holds options over the Darlin, Rapide and the CYR South lithium properties in Quebec and the Urachsin uranium property in the Athabasca Basin, Saskatchewan. Medaro holds a majority interest in a joint venture engaged in the development and commercialization of a new process to extract lithium from concentrate. For more information, investors should review the company's filings that are available at www.cdar.com. Forward-looking information. This news release contains certain statements that constitute forward-looking information within the meaning of Canadian securities laws. All statements that are not historical facts, including without limitation, statements regarding future estimates, plans, programs, forecasts, projections, objectives, assumptions, expectations or beliefs of future performance, including statements regarding the company's plans for future exploration at Lac La Motte and the timing thereof are forward-looking statements. These forward-looking statements reflect the expectations or beliefs of management of the company based on information currently available to it. Forward-looking statements are subject to a number of risks and uncertainties, including those detailed from time to time in filings made by the company with securities regulatory authorities, which may cause actual outcomes to differ materially from those discussed in the forward-looking statements. These factors should be considered carefully, and readers are cautioned not to place undue reliance on forward-looking statements. The forward-looking statements and information contained in this news release are made as of the date hereof, and the company undertakes no obligation to update publicly or revise any forward-looking statements or information, whether as a result of new information, future events or otherwise, unless so required by applicable securities laws. Contact information: info@medaromining.com, 604-602-0001. This news release brought to you by Audio News Release, a division of Stock Marketing Inc. Subscribe to Audio News Release now, where investors listen.